Welcome to a new era of entrepreneurship. The world of business is changing rapidly. Traditional barriers to entry are crumbling, making way for innovative business models like dropshipping. This model is empowering individuals to launch their own ventures with unprecedented ease. Imagine not having to manage large inventories or handle complex logistics. Dropshipping simplifies the entire process, offering a streamlined approach to starting and scaling an online business. You simply source a product directly from a supplier, list it on your online store, and when a customer places an order, the supplier takes care of everything else, from packaging to shipping. This eliminates the need for you to invest in stock upfront, freeing up your capital and minimizing your risk. Dropshipping is truly a game changer, democratizing entrepreneurship and opening doors for aspiring business owners worldwide. Whether you're a student looking for a side hustle or a seasoned professional seeking a career change, dropshipping presents a compelling opportunity. It's a business model that embraces flexibility, allowing you to work from anywhere in the world with an internet connection. With its low startup costs and minimal overhead, dropshipping empowers you to take control of your financial future and build a business around your passions. Dropshipping stands out for its simplicity and accessibility. It's an ideal business model for both beginners and experienced entrepreneurs alike. Starting a dropshipping business is remarkably straightforward. You don't need to be a tech whiz or have years of business experience. The first step is to identify a niche market that resonates with you. Next, you'll need to find reliable suppliers who offer dropshipping services. Platforms like Shopify make it easy to set up your online store and connect with suppliers. Once your store is up and running, you can focus on marketing your products to your target audience. One of the most significant advantages of dropshipping is its low startup costs. Traditional businesses require substantial upfront investments in inventory, storage, and logistics. Dropshipping eliminates these costs, allowing you to launch your business with minimal capital. This makes it an attractive option for entrepreneurs who are just starting or have limited financial resources. Dropshipping also offers unparalleled flexibility. You're not tied to a physical location, giving you the freedom to work from anywhere with an internet connection. This flexibility extends to your time as well. You can set your own hours and work around your existing commitments. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or someone looking for a side hustle, dropshipping can fit seamlessly into your lifestyle. Selecting the right niche and products is paramount to your dropshipping success. Your niche defines your target audience, while your products are the lifeblood of your business. Take the time to research different markets and identify areas where you can add value and meet customer needs. Start by exploring your passions and interests. What are you knowledgeable about? What problems can you solve for others? Once you have a few niche ideas, conduct thorough market research to assess their potential. Look for niches with a healthy balance of demand and competition. A profitable niche should have a sizable target audience actively searching for products like yours. When choosing products, prioritize quality, uniqueness, and affordability. Look for products that solve a problem, enhance a lifestyle, or fulfill a specific need. Consider factors like shipping times, product quality, and supplier reliability. It's also essential to stay updated on current trends and adjust your product offerings accordingly. Remember, building a successful dropshipping business takes time, effort, and dedication. By carefully selecting your niche and products, you'll lay a strong foundation for growth and profitability. Section 4. Success Stories and Inspiration Real-World Dropshipping Triumphs. Real-world success stories abound in the world of dropshipping, showcasing the incredible potential of this business model. From ordinary individuals to seasoned entrepreneurs, countless people have achieved financial freedom and transformed their lives through dropshipping. These inspiring journeys serve as a testament to the power of determination, strategic thinking, and the transformative nature of e-commerce. Take, for example, the story of Sarah, a stay-at-home mom who turned her passion for eco-friendly products into a thriving dropshipping business. With no prior business experience, she started small by creating an online store featuring a curated selection of sustainable and ethically sourced goods. Through targeted marketing and a commitment to customer satisfaction, Sarah grew her business organically, eventually replacing her husband's income and achieving financial independence. Then there's John, a college student who used dropshipping to pay his way through school and build a six-figure business. Armed with an entrepreneurial spirit and a knack for identifying trending products, John started a dropshipping store specializing in tech gadgets and accessories. By leveraging social media marketing and influencer collaborations, he quickly gained traction, attracting a loyal customer base and generating significant revenue. These stories, along with countless others, highlight the transformative potential of dropshipping. They demonstrate that with the right mindset, a solid strategy, and unwavering perseverance, anyone can achieve their entrepreneurial dreams through this accessible and rewarding business model. Section 5. Overcoming challenges. Practical tips for dropshipping success. While dropshipping offers a relatively low barrier entry into the world of entrepreneurship, it's not without its challenges. Understanding and proactively addressing these hurdles is crucial for long-term success in the competitive e-commerce landscape. By implementing practical strategies and adopting a solutions-oriented mindset, you can navigate these obstacles and build a thriving dropshipping business. One common challenge is identifying reliable suppliers who consistently deliver high-quality products and excellent customer service. Thoroughly research potential suppliers, read reviews, and consider ordering samples to assess product quality firsthand. Clear communication with your suppliers is essential. Establish clear expectations regarding shipping times, product packaging, and customer support. Another hurdle is managing customer expectations and handling returns effectively. Provide detailed product descriptions, accurate shipping information, and responsive customer support. Have a clear return policy in place and make the process as seamless as possible for your customers. Addressing customer concerns promptly and professionally can turn negative experiences into positive ones, fostering loyalty and building a strong brand reputation. Marketing your dropshipping store effectively is crucial for attracting customers and driving sales. Explore various marketing channels, including social media marketing, search engine optimization, SEO, and paid advertising. Create compelling content that showcases your products, highlights their benefits, and resonates with your target audience. Engage with your followers, respond to comments and messages promptly, and build a strong online community around your brand. Section 6. Conclusion. Take the leap into dropshipping. Dropshipping presents an unparalleled opportunity for aspiring entrepreneurs to enter the world of e-commerce with minimal risk and maximum flexibility. Its low startup costs, ease of operation, and global reach make it an attractive business model for individuals from all walks of life. Whether you're looking to launch a side hustle, achieve financial independence, or build a global brand, dropshipping provides the platform to turn your entrepreneurial dreams into reality. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Don't let fear, uncertainty, or the unknown hold you back from pursuing your entrepreneurial aspirations. Embrace the challenges, learn from your experiences, and never stop innovating. The world of dropshipping is constantly evolving, presenting new opportunities for growth and expansion. As you embark on your dropshipping adventure, remember that success is not a destination but a journey. Stay adaptable, embrace creativity, and never underestimate the power of perseverance. The world of e-commerce is waiting to embrace your unique vision, innovative products, and unwavering determination. Take the leap, dive into the dynamic world of dropshipping, and watch your entrepreneurial dreams soar to new heights.